So here we go, S23 Ultra in the mouse case. Let's go. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the most protective cases that MOUS sells. And you're definitely going to want to stick around till the end of the video so you can see the ending to that drop test. Now here we have the Limitless 5.0 Aramid Fiber case, and then on the left hand side we have the Clarity 2.0. Now the really nice thing about both of these cases is the fact that they have built-in MagSafe technology, so all of the MagSafe accessories out there you can use with these cases. Now if you haven't checked out MOUS's website or their cases, they do some pretty extreme drop tests to ensure their products adhere to the highest protection possible. They also have some really cool accessories that will meet anyone's lifestyle. And like I said, they integrate MagSafe technology into some of their best cases, so now you have an even larger amount of third-party accessories to choose from. I'm also going to be putting a 10% off discount code for my followers in the video description below to help you save some money on some of these really awesome cases. Now all the cases that MOUS sells does use AeroShock technology, and if you're wondering what that is, it's a high impact protective material to make the phone cases as protective as possible. The innovative technology allows their cases to offer an extreme defense against drops and shocks in a slim, sleek design. And I can definitely attest to that because this Limitless 5.0 case is really sleek, and as you can see, it doesn't hardly add any extra bulk to the phone, and that Aramid fiber on the back is so smooth and stylish. This is probably my favorite case that MOUS sells. So let's go ahead and check out both these cases, then we're going to do that drop test. So let's go ahead and get started. And then here we have the MOUS Clarity 2.0 case. It is a hard-backed case. As you can see, it's got that MagSafe magnet built into it, and it's surrounded by a firm TPU-type rubbery material. Now, if we look at the inside real quick, as you can see that AeroShock material surrounding the whole inner side of this case. So in case your phone happens to be dropped or thrown into the air, when it comes down, that material will absorb that shock, keeping your phone totally protected. Phone fits in there really nice, feels nice in the hand. It is a little grippy, it's definitely not slippery. Buttons, easily accessible, nice and clicky. They protrude off the case just enough so you can easily find them. Very nice. If we look at the side here, again, as you can see, it doesn't hardly add any extra bulk to the phone. It's got a nice raised edge on the top and the bottom to protect your screen. And if we look at the other side here, as you can see, we have our power button and our volume buttons, which are separated. And you know that I love that. We have our lanyard hole on both sides. On the bottom here, we have our S Pen cutout, our speaker, and our charging port. You can easily access your S Pen as well. Then on the back, again, it's nice and clear to show off the color of your phone. As far as fingerprints goes, it picks up minimal fingerprints, and the little bit that it does pick up, you can easily just wipe away. Just like that. And then we also have a little recession to protect those camera lenses as well. Very nice. And here I happen to have a MagSafe charger. You just easily clip it onto the back of your phone, and your phone starts to charge. And it holds on there just enough to where you don't have to worry about it just falling off. So this is a pretty nice case. Again, feels nice in the hand, and we're going to see how protective this is for my phone when I throw it into the air. And you can use this case with regular wireless chargers as well. So I really do like this case. I like the fact that it shows off the color of your phone as well as that MagSafe, and it's got great protection for your phone. Now another thing really quick, I just wanted to show you that no other cases really seem to have this. If you look here on the bottom of your phone, it's got this little lip, kind of like the top, but not as pronounced. And that's for when you put your phone on its back, it still won't touch whatever you put it on because of those little lips. So that's definitely another really cool feature. I would definitely recommend this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And then here we have the Limitless 5.0 Aramid case by MOUS. This is a really nice case. This is probably my most favorite case that MOUS makes so far. If we look at the back here, as you can see, it's got that nice soft aramid fiber backing. Very cool. And on the inside, again, it's got that Aero Shock gel. In case you happen to drop your phone, that gel will absorb the impact so your phone won't get damaged. On the inside, it's got a really nice kind of soft material, kind of feels like suede-ish a little bit, but it'll keep the back of your glassed phone, like the 23 Ultras, nice and scratch-free. It's also surrounded by a nice firm rubber material. So there it is in the case. Feels very nice in the hand. It's not grippy, but it's not slippery either. It just feels, right. It feels nice. As far as buttons goes, nice and clicky. Buttons are very easily pressable. They have a very good tactile feedback to them. Very nice. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. Still has that nice raised edge on the top and the bottom of the case. And this case here does not seem to have that little lip on the underside like the Clarity 2.0 did, but that's okay. It's still a very protective case. As you can see, we have a little kind of texture on the side for grip or lanyard hole. On the other side here, we have our lanyard hole, that same grip. Then we have our power button and our volume buttons. Very nice. On the bottom, we have our S Pen cutout, our speaker, and our charging port. You can very easily access your S Pen. On the back here, again, that aramid fiber is so nice and smooth and it doesn't pick up any fingerprints. This case, again, also has built-in MagSafe technology as well, so you can use all of iPhone's MagSafe accessories. And if we look over by the cameras, it's got a nice recession to keep those camera lenses protected. I really love this case. Feels really nice, looks really nice. These buttons, so easily pressable. Again, this is probably my most favorite mouse case, and I would definitely give it a thumbs up. So here we go, S23 Ultra in a mouse case. Let's go. So as you can see, there's only some dust on the screen. No damage. And the back also survived. Then if we take a look at the case, as you can see, there's just slight scuffs on the edge there. Just a little bit on the edge there. Nothing really there. And nothing at the top. The majority of it, we had some scrapes to the bottom of the case, but the case is still intact and the back doesn't have any scratches either. This was a dummy unit. I did not want to put my real phone inside the case because if anything did happen to it, I wouldn't be able to make videos for you guys. And the back is also undamaged, so that should give you some idea of what you can expect if you use your real phone. Now, obviously, that drop test was really extreme. Nobody's going to throw their phone up in the air and hopes it survives on the way down. That was just to try to give you some idea of how good these cases' shock protection really is. And if you happen to drop your phone in a normal situation from a normal height or down some stairs, you'll know that the phone is going to be protected. So the case definitely held up to what it was supposed to do as far as protecting the phone. I definitely recommend these cases. If you want the best drop protection for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, I would definitely check out the mouse cases. So that's it for the Limitless 5.0 Aramid case and the Clarity 2.0 mouse cases. Again, if you guys want to pick up any of these, I will be putting links in the description, and don't forget to use that 10% off coupon code. It'll save you a little bit of money on your purchase. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.